Hey everybody, I'm D Revolution, author of 3 books, 4 screenplays, award-winning poet, 3 spoken word CDs. Please like and subscribe to my page. This is a channel about writing, the writer circle. Join my Facebook page, Black Books Fuzz, and check out my website, blackbooksfuzz.com. I am here to try to help all of you guys write stories and bring a different perspective from a writer standpoint. And this video is about consciousness. So this is just my opinion. When you're writing and you're trying to bring a message across, you want to bring as much consciousness to your story as possible. Why? Because people tend to stick with stories when they learn something from them or when you enlighten them about something. So you could tell them a story. I mean, how many times have you seen a movie and never thought about the movie again after you watched it, or you never thought about it again after you left the movies? How many movies have you seen that had something that made you continue to think about the consciousness of it? You know, prime example. The most recent movie that did that for me, well, I ain't gonna say recent, but the one movie that I constantly think about because it kept puts on my mind is the movie Interstellar. Because I like the universe and I want to know how time works. So the way that movie went in Interstellar, I constantly think about if it's really like that. And it has made me watch that movie over and over and over again. It's the same thing with writing a book. You know, you could write your story, but, you know, try to find something to tap into, some consciousness, something in your story to make your reader think, to make them want to pick it back up, or at least when they put it down, they're like, I really, you know, like they never forget what it is. It's very important to add those elements and to keep readers looking for your next book, and to keep readers, you know, recommending your book to others. Consciousness is very serious when it comes to storytelling. Not, you know, writing a story is good, writing is good, you know what I'm saying? We're all blessed to be writers. But try to add that little bit of consciousness into your story. Just a little bit. It don't even have to be nothing super heavy, or you don't want to beat anybody over the head with it. But, you know, something that you may have learned, or a quote you may have seen, or something to really, I mean, our minds need to be exercised. So if somebody reading a book and you say something, and they're like, wow, that's deep right there. They're gonna become very attracted not only to you as the author, but to your storytelling, because they're learning and you're feeding the brain. So that's just a little secret to really keep, you know, if you're gonna be a writer and you're gonna be writing books, that, you know, to keep people really addicted to what you're doing. Same thing if you're making a dish and you have a secret seasoning or something, you know, and, you know, it's going to keep you going back to that restaurant because something about it is really good. Same thing. I'm D Revolution. Please like and subscribe to my page. I'm going to be talking about some in-depth things when it comes to writing from a writer's standpoint, but you won't know unless you subscribe to the page. And please recommend my page to anybody, future writers, anybody that you know is trying to write, your son, your daughter, your brother, your uncle, anybody. Thank you guys. I'm D Revolution. Peace.